Hello again. I wanted to share with you, I've been asked a number of times how I come up with my story journals. So as I'm starting them, I thought, well, I'll just turn the camera on and I will try the best I can to share with you. So what I came up with, these are 5 little glassine bags from A Tattered Dream, old quilts, and I used the pictures from Christy Art Designs. And each one has a stagecoach ticket and then a picture of a stagecoach. And these are my mail order brides. I was just thinking where my passion lies, and I love doing these books. So this is how I started. So we have one, and this one, she reminds me of maybe an entertainer. This one is definitely maybe a cook or baker. And I'm not sure. I just kind of do make these up, and then I think as I put things together. This one definitely reminds me of a school teacher. So, make sure I'm in frame here. Am I up too high? Okay, so I have these laid out. And these are going to be my 5 mail order brides. I know that. And they're going to go to a town where they need to start it. Let's put it that way. So those are my girls. And then... and I'll come up with names. And then I do the covers to my books. And then the rest I just kind of wing. Now this one is, I did all the books, cloth, fabric over cardstock. And this one's going to be the seamstress. So one of these will be... let's maybe this one. So that'll be my seamstress. And they were each promised a place to live, so that's why they each got a key on there. So that's how I kind of do that. And then as I go in the pages, I'll just pick a couple, 3 key points that I want to point out, and then that's it. Then I just go with it. But I really do like the stories. And then this other one I did is... I was just having fun with the snippets and the lace, because I just got done with a couple romantic books. And I put a little receipt on there, and there's a little purse. She might be running, say, the mercantile. And that'll probably be that one. So, and these will be some kind of, the portfolio type thing with her stagecoach ticket. And something else I'm going to make to go with these. And hopefully these will be my Etsy shortly here. So that's that one. And then the third one I just started. And I know I clipped this on here. And I'm really not sure. So I just did the pretty material that I had. And actually this one speaks to me. Homespun, that reminds me just a blanket, so that'll probably go with that one. And then the other 2 we'll come up with. So that's what's on my table tonight, because I can't sleep. And then I just wanted to show you a quick, I know I've gotten a lot of compliments on my layering, so I just wanted to take you through another layering process. I know you've seen them, but sometimes, again, it's just a reminder. So let me get some ink. And I did get one of these, I don't know, makeup sponges. And they do work good. Okay, I have my glassine bag. This is a 3 by 5. I love these. These I'm going to put this on the envelope. And tomorrow, hopefully when I get to my shop tomorrow, I will show the people who asked about how I made my gesso. I'll do it at my shop. So, let's start. These are cotton strips that I had forever. These are the ones that come in a big package for the hot waxing. And yeah, that didn't turn out too good. So now I'm crafting with these. I'll go to a salon. So anyway, I tore these up and I used these. Like, I'll probably put that there. This is a tea bag that, I don't know, I must have got wet or something because the picture ran. So I'm still going to use it because it's still got, you know, trim and stuff on it. So we will just use, and this one I'm not going to wax because I'm using a photo. And sometimes, I don't know, it just doesn't. Maybe I put too much on that last time because it ran. So I'll put that down there. And then I'm going to put her over this. So I just took a picture. This is going to be a Christmas one. I always rip them. And I do have the fancy ruler and the other little distresser, but I always like just to rip them. And that's good. And we'll just use a little vintage photo. And I'll just put a little of this on there. I always start with just one piece of plain cream color material. I usually always start with that. And I'll just, too much white. I don't like a whole lot of white. Sometimes. And then I always put it on crooked. So we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, and she's 5 layers. And since this is already kind of messed up, we're just gonna not worry about having a tuck behind it. And we got that. And then I found this little piece of poinsettia. Oh, actually, I like it up there. So we'll just, and you could see, I really don't think hard about it. I really don't. That's when I usually get in trouble. And then I got some this cream sari silk. Take a little snip of that. This is my messy desk. And I usually pull it apart and then I rip it apart, maybe. And I usually like to go down one side. I'm going to go right down here. And I like the strings. There. That's it. That's enough. And then I decided I was gonna, there's another thing I was making, and I will do another tutorial. I found, as I was cleaning my back shop, I found a whole bag of popcorn bags that I had, and I've been altering them for Halloween for gift bags, and they came out so cute. So here's just one of my envelopes. And I have a hinge, and I just literally just fold it in the middle, and then I will take my bone folder. But it's not always straight. I just don't worry about it. I will snip the edges. And this is already coffee dyed, I believe. Yep. And I will put glue on it. Oh, come on. Maybe. Oh, I didn't even see if it's too long. Oh, it is too long. So we'll hurry up before it dries. And I'll snip that right there. And we'll move it up. See, I guess I should go to bed. No problem. There. And now, there. Oh, you know what? We're going to have to cut that. And there is just an altered bag, a layered bag. And I would probably, I'll make something there, just slip in there, and then I would just tie it, put some tags in there. You can even slip a candy bar in there for a pretty, like a little Christmas card. Something like that. And I guess I could probably glossy accent those flowers to make them pop. But that's all. Just as far as your layering, it's just something that you have to practice at. And don't overthink it. I've said that before. Just have fun with it, because you don't want to lose your passion. If you get frustrated, you're not going to produce. That's for sure. So that is it. I guess I'll be back in the hopefully next day or so with the gesso tutorial and the popcorn bags, because those are fun. And I think you can probably even get them at the dollar store. So that's it for tonight. So you guys have a good night, and we'll see you soon. Bye.